Welcome back to Project Squad. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to do basically a follow-up on yesterday's video. Mainly I'm going to be talking about head, where them find mobile thing already. Right, we'll talk about the individual, right, who's, well, as me say, parts them find. But before we go into that, I want to send a special Patreon birthday shout out to somebody who needs no introduction. If you're a regular in the comment section, you should already know. Well, not in person, probably, but definitely in the comment section. You know the usual early comment squad. None other than Shantae. Right? Yes, today's our birthday, so Patreon squad, PIA, everybody, let's be garbled. Right, so Shantae, our long-standing supporter, right? Loyal supporter. Big up yourself. Hope you have a great day. Right? Kick back, relax, and enjoy yourself, right? Live your best life, you deserve it. So make you go straight into it. You might have heard say them find a part. Unfortunately, that's how we have to describe it. Right, YouTube thing already. Right, the video that I covered about the lady in Antigua. Well, again, YouTube sent me them warning and tell me about them guidelines stuff. We have to say parts, right? But no matter. That young man actually took part in the field. Well, depends on how you look on it. Right, the disastrous operation that took place, right, at Dam Road where, 7 people end up pick up rounds. Man run go lick up in a man in the car and, random driver carrying pick up rounds, all kind of foolishness. Well, yesterday, parts of them fine, in the scandal bag, in the bush. That young man was one of the 87s them who did initially go up on the apps, right, at the car wash. Telling the policewoman who did end up lose her son. Right. Well, yes. Man then catch up on him and let's just say he got a raw deal. Mobile thing already. For them thing have extra, them find the parts there so then they find the rest time over here so put in a scandal bag and dash. Right? Sound like some kind of dopey movie, but that's Jamaica. And they're not new, especially for mobile. Right, I feel them style that. Now, there's even a video of the Automat that, I just get it. I was considering posting it here, but I imagine YouTube won't like it. And plus, I have like the usual squad that go around and just flag and report everything I'm gonna post. Right, so I can't post it, but basically, you can see say one of the man them will go up on it. Right, I'm talking about the Dam Road apps or the car wash. Him up on the ground, people them catch up on him. Police did it. One police van and your favorite 87. They probably going to ball and a beg. Right. I'm going to post the video on Patreon. Right. So here's the thing. I understand. When 87s get catch, the energy is so different. Because you see, before them go on them apps and during them apps, assuming everything goes smooth for them are like the baddest thing ever. But if you get catch, and they on the ground, you're a big bad 87. Just maintain your badness. When you're on the ground, when the people them catch up on you, when your friend they run left you, maintain your badness. They on the ground and still give big chat. Still say, oh man, I kill you. And a bad man, you can't tell me nothing. I say if you talk. I don't understand how 87 bad man, right, wicked man, they on the ground after they get catch and I put up another year. No, please. Come on, maintain the badness, bro. Maintain the badness because we know say when you go for people and people can't defend themselves, we know say a pay tough chatting and tell people how much dope you have. So when you're on the ground, when you get catch, when your friend run left and your car crash and you're on the ground, you see a crowd that drive around you and police, you have to say, yo, a 35 dope me have. Maintain the badness, bro. Don't lie down on the ground and I ball it out and I put up another year and on a big. See, that's damaging to the 87 image. I mean, me know say 87, most 87 really aren't built for smoke like that. You know say most 87 don't really have the guts, right? For really, especially when time the heat on and back on them, we know that. But the average Jamaican don't know that. The average Jamaican thinks the 87s are like real life Rambo and them rough and tough because them have 15 dopey, but we know say most 87, 90% of 87s inside, like where you have coconut, on the outside it appears to be very tough. And I say, boy, the coconut is tough, man. But then you take one hammer and lick it. Boom! Next thing you realize inside, soft like jelly. That's the favorite 87. But the only time you see the jelly is when time the pressure turn on back on them. Is when they go up and somebody answer them back. Right? Is when they bring the heat to somebody and somebody bring it back to them. But you see if them come catch you, right? And you can't defend yourself, or 5 of them come on you one, or you might see them in a restaurant and you now look at you eat your food and they walk up behind you. Let me give you all 35 rounds. Take your parts them and fling them in a bush and go back go brag about it. But make them buck up in a little resistance. You realize, hold on, it's a jelly. Soft and squishy on the inside. So, the individual recipient on your screen right now, the young man to the left, him parts in the scandal bag. But you see, the brother you see in the background, I cover him face, that's none other than the leader, Mr. Choo-Choo, and Choo-Choo Train. That's Choo-Choo Train, but he might hide him face. He did try to take himself from the general operation, but as I said, they hold him at airport. Right? But even when they're behind bars, they don't go already. But he don't stop there, so. For him brother, is the same 87 what I'm telling you, say, in the video, right, pan the ground, I play him case. Choo-Choo brother, Choo-Choo Train brother. Gone pan apps. So for him brother, get catching at the January apps, and now him come get catching at the one on the son for leave badness alone. When I say, you would think a youth would sit down and say, him brother, get caught up in a certain things and say, you know what, like what happened to big bro, like what happened to little bro, right? But I'm leave off certain things. No. If anything, that motivate them even more, because the fact that them brother did do it, them no one go follow the footsteps, because them automatically get clout by being related to another 87. That's how it going on. So if you're Nevada Haji's brother or your sci-fi cousin, you kind of automatically inherit little of them strength. So it's easier for you get involved in the badness, because you don't have to prove yourself from the ground up. You see, you have some 87s, right, where they just say, when them take on badness, they have to go what they go earn for them acidic reputation. They have to go what they go wait up 15 people and take on police and do all them things, and people say, oh, yeah man, he's one of us. But then, if your brother or your cousin or your father make theme name certain way, then you kind of inherit it. I know people almost look to you if you come follow it up. And believe it or not, in certain acidic communities, if you don't follow it up, people look down upon you. People are saying, how come theme brother? How come sci-fi your brother? I know you come tell you, boy, you want to go school? You want to go to an electrician? And sci-fi your brother, I want to that fool you. That's what Jamaica stay. What do you mean you want to an electrician? Electrician? You want to go to an engineer? What? You want to go to a teacher? You don't know sci-fi your brother? And the kerosene them on the block. Then did I get ready? Whoop them foot when they may say you're a sci-fi brother. But then them go you say you want a teacher. And foot them lock up fast. Foot them lock up faster than all them what? Teacher. I'm to that nerd there. You can imagine people actually start gossip boy. You can imagine your brother, sci-fi brother, and boy you want to go turn a fool like man. Sci-fi must have turned in him grave right now. But him have ambition. Man, look at nerd there, man. My sound extraordinary, but it happen. It happen. We mean you not go jail 10 times already and have 10 baby mother. Where him come from, man? You look like say at the ugly duckling of the family. You see, in Jamaica and acidic communities, the youth them will stay away from badness, and them are the ugly duckling of the family. I'm telling you, everything in the verse. Remember one time, if you have a family and everybody man gonna go to teacher and mechanic and whatever, and then one of them strain of badness, him are the ugly duckling of the family. Well, modern day Jamaica, acidic Jamaica, when you have a family of youth where deep in the badness, and then you gonna turn teacher, you are the ugly duckling. You are the embarrassment. You're the letdown. Complete madness. See, this story all over the place. So I cover stories like this. Right? I like going a different perspective on it. Go even deeper than the surface because slowly we are evolved from the basic. Yeah, Ricky shoot Tommy and then Tommy shoot Ricky and then done the video. You can hear that anyway. People don't come over here to hear that. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Yes.